What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to customize, how to edit the header navigation menu colors using WP block themes, okay? Into one of our previous videos that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here, we did learn how to organize this menu, how to add submenus, how to change the logo type, but how to change the color of this menu. This is what we're gonna learn in this video, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, not just internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, it's navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over appearance. Go to themes and make sure that you are using a block theme. For example, the 2024, the default theme that came to WordPress, okay? After this, and remember, okay, in the case that you want extra features, you can go to Enzo theme. After this, go to the editor submenu, okay? Wait while the page loads. And then click into the header section of your site, just like this. Click once again and you're going to be able to see into the bottom left corner of your screen, edit your template, to edit this template. So click on edit template button. Just like this. Now you can click into the menu, for example right here, okay, into any part of the menu, for example between these icons, for example. Let me remove this heading. You can click on it just like this. Now review the left sidebar of menus, the right sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, okay? Can you see we have navigation, we have this config icon to organize, set up the style, the orientation of the menu, some positions and other options that is very useful. But for us, we're gonna focus into this option right here, call it style. Click onto this tab right here. Then we have the text, the background, the submenu and overlay, and the submenu and overlay background. First thing, text. Imagine that you would like that this menu to be this orange color. Great, you have made it. We can even type the X code of the color or use one of those presets right here, okay? Then we can change the background in the case that you want and the submenu overlay color, for example, just like this. Can you see? Simple, easy and very effective. But what about the site title? We can click on it, go to the style from the right sidebar of menus, go to text and change it as well, or move it to other color in the case that you prefer more. Simple, right? And it is. Don't forget to hit the save changes and hit the save changes once again to save the edition on your template, and let's review how the site gonna looks like. And here is the results we got. Simple, easy and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements and templates, our Enzo free WordPress theme, our growth.net platform in order to submit and promote your blog, okay, for receiving and publishing guest posts, our sites.gallery to promote your site, your app, your game. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, themes, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!